Strong Mag. 6.5 earthquake, Java Sea, 97 kilometers north of Tuban, East Java, Indonesia, on Friday, April 14, 2023 at 4:55 p.m. local time, according to the German Research Center for Geosciences reported, and its depth was recorded 604 kilometers. I felt this today. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 6.4. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, at magnitude 7.0. This quake report is 100% accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.